What I wish I knew at the start of my crypto journey, Tezos isn't just another coin, it's a whole blockchain system. Built for security and long-term safety for users. Built for community collaboration and robust governance. Built for real innovation, continuous protocol improvement, and growth. Here's why XTZ deserves a closer look today. Tezos is a high-performance blockchain built with rigorous engineering, with a sharp focus on security through formal verification and exhaustive audit processes, open-source collaboration across global developer communities and projects, true decentralization in governance, decision-making, and network control. What really sets Tezos apart is its self-amending protocol. No messy hard forks that split communities ever again. Community members can propose protocol upgrades on-chain. They then vote on those proposals directly and transparently, and seamlessly upgrade the network with minimal disruption and downtime. No drama, just steady, measured protocol evolution over time. Tezos 2.0 is on the horizon, promising big changes. Faster transactions via new Layer 2 scaling technology and optimizations, more composable apps that interact and interoperate easily, native support for JavaScript to attract web developers, native support for Python to broaden developer access. For developers, that means fewer headaches and faster builds. For users, it translates to a smoother, cheaper ride. Security is at Tezos' core through formal verification. Smart contracts on Tezos are built to be bulletproof and reliable, perfect for apps where certainty and correctness matter most. Liquid proof of stake lets every XTZ holder participate. Earn rewards directly by staking XTZ yourself, easily. Or earn rewards by delegating to bakers you trust. No giant mining rigs required, just community-powered consensus. Launched in 2018 after years of founders' vision and work. Founders Arthur and Kathleen Brightman shaped Tezos' early vision. Proven reliability in network uptime, operations, and stability. Ongoing innovation in protocol features, tooling, and developer tools. A community actively contributing and shaping the blockchain's future. So next time you see the XTZ logo, remember this. It stands for more than just crypto. It represents progress. It's a symbol of a smarter, more collaborative blockchain era.